What's up guys, this is Vishu again, and now we will write a small program to populate the dictionary. Now if this is your first time, don't get overwhelmed. I am going to go over the very basics and explain each and every step. So we will build this dictionary again. So let's do this. I want a dictionary of 5 values. We know that we want a dictionary, so let's define the dictionary. So we can do user info is equal to, and we can do a dict. So dict is going to tell the Python interpreter that this is a dictionary. So if I do print type of user info and run this, you will see that it has a class of dictionary because we mentioned it over here that it is a dictionary. You can also do something like this, but I usually just go with the dictionary class. So I know I want to enter 5 values. So I will do for number in range 5 print number. So now if I run this, I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 5 values over here. So I want to add 5 names in the user info. So I will do name is equal to user info, not user info, input, and I'm going to ask enter your name. So we have the name over here now. Let's do age, your age. We have city, input, profession. So let me bring up the idle. So we have this. I'm going to ignore this for this moment because we don't want to complicate things. But we know that this is a list of information. The information that it consists of is the age, city, and profession. So we have to make a list of these items. So for each time there is a list, it has a different value. So inside the for loop, for each of the user, we have to create a new list. So inside the for loop, I am going to do information underscore list is equal to blank list. Now, once we have the age, city, and profession, I am going to do information underscore list dot append, and inside here I am going to do age. So we'll take the age, or let's do it like this. Instead of append, we will do information list is equal to age, city, and profession. So in this way, we have this list ready right now. We have the age, we have the city, and we have the profession, all of them in a list like we always have. Now we have to assign this list to the key of the name because the key is the name. So we have the name over here. So what I will do is user underscore info of name. So I'm telling the user info dictionary has a key of name, which is its index, and this is going to be the information list. So what I did is I created a list with age, city, and profession, and I gave it to the name key like we have it over here. Now what happens is for the first time it will run, it is going to create a blank list, populate the list with the age, city, and profession. Once it is populated, it is going to assign it as a value to the name. What happens next is it goes back to the loop, and at this time the information list is empty again. It removes all this value because it's empty, and then it adds the new value again. It happens again, it goes to the third time, it clears the list. So let's do this again and run this. So enter your name. So I'll just do John, age 27, Chicago, and profession is, I should have put a colon and space. Let me also fix this. Let me restart. So name John, 28, Chicago, plumber. Let's do again Jake, And last one. So now I have entered 5 values. What happens is we created a dictionary but we did not print it out. So once I hit enter, it's not going to do anything because it is waiting for something to happen, and that is a problem. So once the user info is done, you have to print it out. So print for user info in user info dot items, print user. So I'll just fast forward this so you don't have to wait. So let's do this again. For I in range, let's do 4 items, and I'll fast forward this so you don't have to see me type. So now we have done all the 4 items and it is going to print this, and then it will go over the dictionary. So you'll see it printed the hashtags, and then you can see user John has information. And in this way we created a dictionary in a for loop with all the list and with all the values in a list as a value, and we took the name as the key. So that is how you create a dictionary in a for loop and fill it with values. So that is it for this video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.